Join me as I dive into the world of Sound stocks and try to uncover the expert insights you need to know right now. The world of stock investing can be both exciting and intimidating, especially with the constant fluctuations in the market. Sound stock investments have become a crucial part of many investors' portfolios, providing a way to grow wealth over time. But what makes a stock a sound investment, and how can you make informed decisions in today's financial landscape? Investors are facing a multitude of challenges in the current market. Volatility seems to be the new norm, making it difficult to predict which stocks will rise and which will fall. Economic uncertainty is also playing a significant role, with many investors wondering how factors like inflation and interest rates will impact their investments. Misinformation is another hurdle, with the rise of social media making it easier for rumors and false information to spread quickly. This can lead to investors making decisions based on incomplete or inaccurate information. The sheer amount of information available can be overwhelming, making it tough for investors to separate fact from fiction. It's easy to get caught up in the hype surrounding certain stocks, but it's essential to take a step back and assess the situation objectively. By doing your research and staying informed, you can make more confident investment decisions. Another challenge investors face is the fear of missing out. With so many stocks experiencing significant growth, it's tempting to jump on the bandwagon and invest in popular companies. However, this approach can be risky, and it's essential to consider your individual financial goals and risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. A well-thought-out investment strategy is key to success in the stock market. Expert opinions and strategies can provide valuable insights for investors looking to make sound stock investments. According to some experts, certain sectors like technology and healthcare are expected to experience significant growth in the coming years. Others recommend focusing on companies with strong fundamentals, such as a solid track record of revenue growth and a competitive advantage in their industry. When it comes to investment strategies, some experts advocate for a long-term approach, encouraging investors to buy and hold on to their stocks for an extended period. Others recommend a more active approach, suggesting that investors regularly review and adjust their portfolios to respond to changing market conditions. It's essential to consider your individual financial goals and risk tolerance when determining the best investment strategy for you. Some experts also emphasize the importance of diversification, recommending that investors spread their portfolios across various sectors and asset classes. This can help reduce risk and increase potential returns over the long term. By exploring different investment strategies and staying informed about market trends, you can make more informed decisions about your investments. One significant insight from an expert that could impact your investment decisions is the importance of staying disciplined and avoiding emotional decision-making. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a rising market or the fear of a declining one, but making impulsive decisions can be costly. By staying informed and maintaining a long-term perspective, you can avoid common pitfalls and make more sound investment choices. This insight is particularly relevant in today's fast-paced market, where news and information are constantly changing. By staying disciplined and focused on your investment goals, you can navigate the ups and downs of the market with greater confidence. A well-informed and level-headed approach can help you make the most of your investments and achieve your financial goals. In conclusion, sound stock investments require a combination of research, strategy, and discipline. By understanding the challenges and opportunities in the current market, you can make more informed decisions about your investments. If you've got thoughts on stock investing or want to share your own experiences, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out our other video on top stock picks for long-term growth for more insights and expert analysis.